Welcome to another Joomla for Beginners video tutorial. In this lesson we're going to discuss the Global Configuration panel. We're logged on to the back end as a super administrator and we're starting off at our welcome screen. We're going to scroll down and choose the icon named Global Configuration. The Global Configuration panel controls Joomla's operational settings, and any changes that we make on this screen will ultimately update the configuration.php file. Now there's three sections that we're going to discuss: site management, system management, and server management. Our lesson today is going to concentrate on site management, which is our default page. We're going to scroll down and begin with the site settings. Our first choice is Site Offline. The Site Offline enables us to control whether the front end of the website is accessible to visitors. It doesn't have anything to do with the administration panel in the back end that we're using right now. If it's set to yes, we also have the opportunity of entering our own personal message. In this case, we're going to leave it set to no, and we'll leave the default message where it is. The site name is our next field, and this is carried forward from our original Joomla 1.5 installation. Our next setting is for the default WYSIWYG Editor. The default is TinyMCE 2.0, which is correct for most of us, unless you're actually a programmer where you'll choose no editor, you'll end up with a notepad. We'll leave this set to MCE 2.0. The next under site settings is the list length. You can control the back end list. These are lists for categories, sections, articles, etc. And you would adjust this based on how much content your website actually has and the easiest way for you to navigate. For our purpose, we're going to leave it set to the default 20. And the following is feed length, and this is set for the default number of drop down on the list when you have the newsfeed articles that you'd like to be displayed at any given time. From here we move to our metadata settings, where we can enter our Global Site Meta Description, and we've entered our Global Site Meta Description. This helps you gain a ranking status with the search engines. You should limit the description to about 20 words, depending on the search engine being targeted. You should make the description as concise and pertinent to your site's content as possible. You can use a combination of keywords and phrases. Some search engines can't read more than 20 words, others can. You just have to reach a happy balance here. And the next setting is the Global Site Meta Keywords. In this case, the combination of the description and the keywords should range somewhere between 300 and 500 characters. And we've entered our keywords here, and we're going to move on to the next setting, Show Title Meta Tag. We'll leave both of these settings the same. The Show Author Meta Tag and the Show Title Meta Tag are both set to the default yes function. These help with the robots in each individual article. Our next settings here, we're going to scroll over to the right and up just slightly, are the SEO settings. Our search engine friendly URLs here are currently set to no. The Use Apache Mod Rewrite is certainly set to no, and the Add Suffix to our URLs are set to no. We're going to keep all these as their default settings. We're going to scroll up and we're going to save our global configuration settings. And they've been updated.